Well, we all have weird corners in our houses, and sewing can help. This storage area in our house is really useful. It's not like a dumping ground, but we store things we use not on an everyday basis, but quite often. We have beach toys, things for the sewing room, like wadding and big things like that, and things for the garden as well. So we use it a lot, and I don't want it to get as dirty. It's underneath the garage door, so it gets dusty, and I want something to stop it. It's difficult to put a door in because it's on a staircase and it has a difficult shape. I call it the triangular closet. So I'm going to make a curtain. Let's go to the sewing room and I'll show you with what. And I'm going to be using a shower curtain. And my choice of fabric takes us to the issue of what fabric is the best for this job. And it depends on the placement of your storage room. Maybe if you want something more private, you can add a heavier fabric, like an upholstery one or something like that. But in my case, the garage door opens right there and all the dust comes flying in. So I want something that repels the dust a bit more, and I think a heavier curtain will collect all the dust and I'll be washing it every week no matter what. And I don't want that either. And structurally talking, I cannot drill on the ramp, the bridge ramp I have, where the cars go in and out of my house. Not the cars, the car, where the car goes in and out, or the walls underneath, because they are let's call it support walls. What's the name of that? Well, they support the carriage, so I don't want to even consider the drilling. So the pressure rod is the best thing for me. So, but you can opt for different materials depending on the placement of your storage. If you like challenges, this is your channel, because I don't know what else, but we sew in here. And oh yes, of course, my name's Irene, if you're not wrong here. I upload twice a week, so subscribe so you don't miss anything. And let's start sewing. So because it's a weird place, I'm going to just hang the curtain, and from there I'll measure. Well, the flamingos look a bit shocked, but it is what it is. But of course it's going to open the whole time. It's on a slope, of course, but I have an idea. It's not opening that much. I thought it would do it more, but I have an idea anyways. And now, as it is, I'm going to just mark so I can cut and hem. So with this mark, I'm just going to cut this diagonal and hem it. And one thing I did not think of is that if my rod is not straight but to one side, on a slope, my picture or the pattern is going to look to the side. So I never thought of that, but it's the curtain I have is one we didn't use at home, so I'm going to make use of it. It doesn't matter really. In the future we'll see. I don't know what the future holds, if it holds a door or some other way of enclosure, but for now this is it. Quién sabe si en el futuro hay alguna puertita o alguna otra cosa. Por ahora esto nos va a servir y punto. Encima es de las buenas, que trae aquí en el vuelto como una especie de peso. Esto me lo guardo. And it's one of the good ones, because here this is quite heavy. The hemming brings something inside, like a weight thing, that I'm going to keep, of course. To the machine. I finished the hemming and I didn't realize my bobbin was in black, but well, it doesn't matter, it's okay. But I was thinking that because I didn't want it as shower curtain looking, the thing I have to do is to get rid of this. These are really ugly and they make it look like a shower curtain that it is. But what I'm going to do is get rid of it and fold so the rod is hidden and you don't see anything like that. So I think it'll be much nicer and less shower curtainy. There we go again. And now it's just a matter of putting it in. And these rods, these pressure ones, are really good if you don't have the room to drill or if you don't want to. They are just amazing. They just keep everything tidy. Maybe you don't want to see the rod because if you want a more rustic feeling to it, you don't have to see it. So it's really good. I love it. Espérate. I first take this and then I'll come and get you. And this is how sewing can help you not only personalize your house, but maybe in different and in difficult areas to give you some solutions. I am sure a plain curtain will have looked better, like a simple white curtain, but I had this one, and even though the flamingos look a bit on a slope, it doesn't really matter. I'm used to seeing it open, so for me right now it's a bit of a shock to see it with the curtain, but I'll get used to it. And it's a way of hiding an eyesore you have there, but something that you have to have by hand. So it's good either way. I'm quite happy with it. Let me know down in the comments which areas are quite difficult in your house, and I'll see you around. Bye.